Whether you are a new viewer or an old viewer, I'm Betsy.
I'm John.
And today, we're riding our bikes.
Been waiting all winter to get out on a couple of bikes here and take some trails. Man, it's a gorgeous weekend. It's 60 degrees out.
Yes.
We're not in the Adirondacks though. We're just outside of the Adirondacks, in western New York. And what are we going to be doing today?
So we are riding the canal trail along the Erie Canal. We started in Brockport and we took a stop here in Clarkson to start the video, and we're just going to see how far we go.
Yep, probably go to Holley and turn around and come back because there is rain coming this afternoon, so we'll see how far we get.
Yeah, so we're on our e-bikes that we got this winter. So we're on the Mokwheel Basalt 1.
Yep.
And whoa.
So far so good. Yeah, these are nice bikes. They're comfortable, have plenty of power. They give you every accessory possible with it. But we can do a review on that another time. But today we're just riding the canal.
Today we're just riding, on our it's a gravelly trail.
Right now it's gravelly.
It's gravelly.
Side, between Brockport and Holley. So far it's all been gravel.
Yep, and it has been raining, so it's a little soft, but we have the big 4-inch fat tires, so it has not been bad. There's fenders in the back, so we're not getting splashed with dirt and stuff, and it's pretty great.
Yeah, these things are nice. Yeah, the canal is still drained. They drain it for the winter.
Yeah.
All one end of New York, one end of the state to the other. The whole thing's drained.
Yeah, it's pretty low, and it smells pretty bad.
Yeah, well,
it smells pretty bad right now. But
it's pretty amazing that they built this, in the 1800s, and used
100
to just
years old last year.
Yeah, they used to just. Well, I guess it's not the 1800s then, so it opened in 1900s if it was just 100 years last year.
Yeah.
So 1925.
Yeah. Anyway, let's
go check out the trail.
Let's keep going. What's up ahead?
Looks like a drawbridge.
Alright.
Looks like they have a park over here and everything.
Yeah, now it's like the canal walls are really built up.
Yeah, maybe we'll go over there just to check out that park, see what it is.
Yeah.
Picnic area.
Drawbridge and Holley. I mean, that went really fast.
Yeah, we're already at Holley. Well, I guess we're continuing on.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, let's go see if we can go up this.
Okay. Now this is as high as we can go. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. It's all really big. So this is in case they need to stop it?
I'm pretty sure. In case there's a breach. All the water doesn't drain out only a section.
I guess we're in Holberton. Never heard of it. Oh, it's blocked off so you can't walk on the sidewalk. Yeah. Another drawbridge though. It's getting warm.
Yeah, I'd say we're probably just a little over halfway to Albion.
Okay. Well, we just have to keep the rain in mind. I'm getting all speckled with dirt. I know. I'm gonna get re-speckled.
You just gotta rub it in.
You gotta tie a shoe, friend.
Yeah. Or can you tie it?
I can. I can
Thanks.
tie your shoe. So we're about 15 minutes from Albion.
Yeah.
If we stop and get something to eat, though, we're definitely gonna hit rain on the way back.
Oh, you
I think so.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
we'll play it by ear. Maybe
Yeah.
We'll get back and then stop. Get home, see how the rain is.
Or we'll get traffic over the bridge. Or we'll get home and we'll eat.
Yeah. We'll see. We got a long way though.
We do. 10 miles, and it's been about an hour and a half.
What time we here? 10?
10:30 on the trail by.
So it's about an hour and a half to Albion.
Yeah.
Roughly.
In this, it's been kind of, since it's wet, it's been like going through sand in a lot of spots. So it's been kind of hard actually, even with pedal assistance.
Good thing we got the fat tires.
Yeah.
We'd be sinking a lot more.
We would. But
So-
it's been good.
So an hour and a half to Albion, and then an hour and a half back. So
Yeah.
it'd be like a 3-hour drive.
Yeah.
A 3-hour ride with.
Because we're only going like 10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's keep going.
All right.
I see it. All right, we made it into Albion. Let me see if I can get off my bike. Where's my...
There's
Kickstand.
Crosby's not far from here if you want to just go there.
Oof. Yeah, so we just pulled into Albion. Sign's right there. And they got a bike repair station.
Air pump and screwdrivers and wrenches. Oh, that's
And
nice.
they've got a little map. So we are here. And we started somewhere in here, right?
Yep.
In between here. So yeah.
Yeah.
Normally we're up here, but not today. Yeah, so it's got wrenches, it's got an air pump.
Oh, that's the first one we've seen. That's kind of
Yeah.
neat.
Yeah, so we were just over on the other side of that bridge. We just crossed the bridge
In Albion.
in Albion, and we saw the school boat and barge. Just kind of like hanging out till there's more water in here, I guess.
Yeah, wow. They just let it drop.
Yeah. Resting on the bottom for now.
Yeah, pretty neat.
Yeah.
It's the
And
only
nice
one we
little
s-
brick road.
The only one we saw.
Yeah. And we're headed to Rise and Grind.
We could go to Rise and Grind. It should be right on the corner here. I don't know if it's open. We'll see.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
All right, Rise and Grind was closed, so what'd we get?
Crosby's slice of pizza for the road.
That's right. We're
Pretty
back
good.
at the little park where we stopped at that has the bike fix-it shop, and we're gonna eat this and head back.
Yep, take a little break. Get off the bikes. Those bikes are comfortable, I gotta say.
They're not bad. Looks very nice.
This is great. I'm not worn out. We went a lot of miles. Seats are comfortable. Basically, the second time we went bike riding this year, and we're not all worn out, and we already been 10 plus miles.
Mm-hmm.
It's been pretty good.
Yeah. They had some really nice murals. I only got one picture, but they had some really nice Christmas murals in town. One of them said the home of the original Santa.
Ah, who knew?
So Albion must be a pretty big Christmas town. Let's eat this pizza and head back.
All right. Yep, we got plenty of road to get on before the rain comes. But yeah, it's been a great trip so far. Really glad we're doing this. Then when we come back, we can park right here in Albion and head towards Lockport. Do it in stages.
All right, we're heading out of Albion. Heading back to Brockport. Well, I guess don't use the Hinsburg Road Bridge.
Why is that?
You're gonna have to Dukes of Hazzard it to get to the other side. Wow. It's a pretty dilapidated bridge.
Yeah, it is. I don't even think the road's there anymore.
No.
Either.
No, I think they probably took the grates off to make it so people really couldn't. All right, about how much farther back? We've been 18 miles, almost 19 total.
Well, we're about 4 or 5 miles back, I think.
Yeah. All right.
So, probably another 10 miles or so.
Sounds good. Let's keep going. All right. That was a really fun ride.
Oh man, how many miles do you think we went?
Almost 30. It was like 28, 27,
change?
28, yeah.
And change, yeah. It's a long ride, yeah. We did pretty good though.
We did, yeah.
What we learned about electric bikes is having that little extra pedal assist when you're going into the wind is really, really helpful.
Yes, and somehow, believe it or not, we were going into the wind both directions.
Seems even more on the way
I don't know
back.
how it's possible. We kept saying on the way going to Albion, we were like, at least the wind will be at our back. And then we were riding into it.
Yep.
So I don't know.
Yeah, not too bad, but
yeah,
almost 30 miles today. That's pretty good.
It was good.
Battery, well, we didn't charge them after the last ride we had, so. But batteries were flashing. We're like, oh man, we're gonna run out of battery before the trip. But we made it.
They were working pretty hard because it was very sandy. What we were riding on because it was wet
and muddy and slippery.
Yeah, so if it had been dry, I think the batteries wouldn't have been working so hard. But it was good. We had a great time, and I can't wait to go again.
Yeah, nice little stretch of the Erie Canal there.
Yeah.
And so where do we go? Brockport to Albion. So yep. So next time we'll have to go from Albion to Lockport or somewhere further out that way, or Brockport to Spencerport or Rochester. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
But it was fun. Yeah.
It was good.
For the second time out.
Yeah. So instead of a first 65 degree of the year day snowshoe, we did a bike ride.
Yep.
So
that's pretty good.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the trails.